Today's video is about pre-disciplinary hearings, often known in Arizona as Loudermill hearings and commonly known in California as Skelly hearings. I'm specifically going to cover the legal protections that belong to public, non-probationary, non-at-will employees in Arizona. My name is Steve Sterbalik and I'm a panel attorney with AsCops here in Arizona. Remember, like all of my videos, this is a topic summary and not legal advice. So if you have specific questions, please contact AsCops or a lawyer to ask. First, some history. Although the name of this video talks about hearings, it would be better described as pre-disciplinary due process rights, which don't always involve a hearing or even an in-person meeting. They are called Loudermill hearings after the U.S. Supreme Court case Loudermill versus Cleveland Board of Education, where the court held that non-probationary civil servants had a limited property right to continued employment, and that this employment can't be terminated unless the employee receives an opportunity to respond to the charges against them. Basically, the idea is that because there are often factual disputes behind dismissals, there should be an opportunity for an employee to address the decision maker prior to termination to potentially explain why they should not be fired. Now, this sounds great. An employee about to be fired should have the chance to contest the reasons behind the termination. But this chance is actually pretty limited at this phase. Later cases make it clear that the scope of pre-termination rights can be really limited as long as there are substantial post-termination rights. In practice, this means that individuals facing Loudermill hearings are often not allowed to subpoena evidence or to call new witnesses for testimony if they have those rights in an appeal process. And in fact, there isn't even a right to a meeting per se. The Loudermill requirements can be fulfilled by simply allowing an employee facing termination to submit a written statement explaining why they should not be fired. Additionally, there's no constitutional right for an attorney to present or even to actually be present at any Loudermill hearing. Now, in Arizona, it's rare for police agencies to not offer an in-person meeting. In my experience, department leaders actually want to hear from the employee facing discipline face-to-face, and chiefs often ask questions that can help them understand what the employee facing termination wants them to consider. Most agencies also allow lawyers to offer a presentation on their client's behalf. And again, this makes sense as non-probationary police officers generally are entitled to an appeal in Arizona, so chiefs deciding to allow an attorney to make a presentation are getting a chance to hear what the appeal might entail, which can give the chief an important perspective to consider in deciding whether to actually move forward with the termination. And even if lawyers like me aren't allowed in the room to present during a Loudermill process, I can and have prepared presentations for my clients to read during the hearing. I firmly believe that it's a good idea in most pre-termination meetings to offer information for the decision maker to consider, and that everyone facing termination should not face these situations without representation. AsCops' legal plan covers representation to both prepare for and, if allowed, to attend Loudermill hearings. So if you're facing a pre-termination hearing, make sure that you call and ask for help. In fact, the goal of our legal program is to help you avoid needing Loudermill representation at all. AsCops representation starts as soon as you know that you might be facing a serious investigation. And we would rather hear from you early to help you address any issues that you might have. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Please like this video so that YouTube will show it to more interested viewers. And please subscribe for more law enforcement lesson videos and click the notification bell so that you know when videos are released. Videos come out at 5:30 p.m. every Sunday, Arizona time. I'm Steve Sterbalik. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.